I am Kiran Nagarguje and I have created one AI powered election prediction system. I would like to introduce this system before going to demonstrate. This system is purely AI based. Optionally, we can upload the voter list or giving some prompting as per the local situation. But I use here APIs of different services which has to be analyze the sentiment of local area or whatever the area we have given, and this is analysis local issues, local sentiment, and what exactly in a people mind, and give a prediction. And it is accuracy of this is 99.9 accuracy target, and I have developed with help of AI. I will give the demonstration, and it is very accurate, as I have mentioned, because I have do lots of uh, exercise and practices and the same. Basic configuration, there are some part like setup configuration, deep analysis, predictions, and if anyone want to win the election among the top, then how the strategy will be there, and that can be converted into loser into winner situation. So in basic configurations, so it is a demonstration purpose only, because I have not given real data here. So in constituency name is ward 4, then state is Maharashtra, then candidate I have added, suppose PQR, NCP, SP, the criminal cases, age, and in background we can giving some inputs, but in demonstration that's why I have not given. I have added three candidate ABC, XYZ, and PQR with the basic configuration. Optionally, we can add histological result in a same, but this is a totally new generated ward because it is new integrated with the municipal corporation. That's why I have not added histological election result, but it also helpful. But I have keep optional it without. I would like to take a result from AI. Now we are going in deep analysis of this particular area. So in uh, in voter, I have also giving higher order because the demonstration I want to not go practical for this demonstration only. So that's why I have given this number, 5 lakh 512, and area 1 I have already configure. This is area Lohagaon Waguli Vimannagar. We can change it as per our requirement or whatever area, and I use such type of APIs here. We can put area name, single area name like Ubale Khandwe Nagar, uh, Lohagaon, Sant Nagar, Viman Nagar. In Pacific Society also we can add it because this type of API I have used. I have not given detail here because it is a demo purpose. Now we will go deep analysis. My AI system or agent has to be deep analysis of this area, and in form of the demographic, social media sentiment, economic profit empowerment, political history, local issues, influence group, and development status, and some hidden insights. I have highlight this one or bold this point because it is a power of this AI. Now I started deep analysis. This is area. Now the intelligence summary has also distributed into six part. Demographic is age distribution, gender ratio, then economic status, occupation, agriculture, business, services, daily wages, then the caste dynamics also. So It is totally given by AI. I have not given any information. My agent has to be fetching the information from different resources and then taking such type of insights, which is really useful. Now, social media analysis, where active users, how many users should be active, and which platform I have using for fetching this information. And the trading topic, traffic congestion situation, water supply, national security, air force issues, local corruption in PMCs. So such type of insights we have taken from. Then economies, that em- employment era means rate, unemployment issue, and infrastructure rating, government scheme, banking, penetration, and means this information is fetching from different. In political, we will see the traditional support, BJP, suing constituency, no, because not giving any previous independent impact, no. Then last three winners, which has to be taking from um, area-wise analysis of the previous. It is also newly added, but whatever the some area I have added, there has to be giving that last three winners. Then key issues, traffic congestion, then water supply, unplanned infrastructure, solid wastage management, garbage disposal, lack of reliable public transportation, influence group, community leaders, youth organizations, women self-help group, the religious leaders and business associated. In here also mention the what is the level of influence is associated that specific. Then hidden insights. In hidden insights, I have mentioned that insights has to be very useful for election, making a dynamic changing the result and reported local dynamic real estate developer, then underground sentimental high tax paying residential feel neglected by the PMCs, leading to the taxation without representation of frustration. So that's insights already taken from different resources. Then voting patterns expected, turnaround 62%, early morning water has to be giving, each and everything has to be giving, development status, roads, water supply, electricity, digital connectivity, healthcare, then sanitization, education. Now we will go for uh, the ultra accurate predictions. So three candidate I have given here only. It is demonstrate purpose. When we are entering real time, it will be give perfect. Here is also we can put other prompting for more accurately, but right now demo we have giving ABC or XYZ names, so we cannot give the prompting accurately, but prompting place is there. So AI analysis all the factors, and near about 50 API I have used for the same, and it has to be giving maximum accurate result which insights and proof. Then prediction is a completed, so that is analysis date which has to be giving the structured advantages of traditional BJP support combined with powerful nationalist voting bloc in Lohagaon and critical split in opposition vote. The means it is insights taken from AI. Whatever the peoples are using mobiles, peoples are using social media, it take information, each and every person information from that thing and giving predictions here. So final predictions, probability, um, winners, and candidate ranking also I have, they are giving, even they have giving predicted vote also, and key strength, weaknesses, rank 2, rank 3, such type of also, and scenario analysis that has to be giving. Now if anyone want to win election, so how that particular candidate can be strategy with help of this AI. So suppose we are selecting this particular candidate and he want to win election, but prediction is opposite of it. So he can make this property. Prompting is also here. So using this AI strategy, this person can be win election. So this is AI powered election strategies and prediction system. It is use each and every person among that area sentiments or reading the mind of that each and every person. That is the power of this one, because I have used lots of API for the same, and it will be game changing tool for candidate. Those candidate will use this, definitely they may get chances of winning of election. Now it take a time because it has to be analysis different factors, and then result has to be coming winning strategy for PQR means whatever the candidate, the executive summary, so primary objective, the secondary objective, both penetration, digital reach, youth mobilization, issue of ownership, then voluntary efficiency, and it has to be give plan. So whatever the plan we have given, and using this, it has to be uh, that particular candidate can win the election. Thank you. Have a great success ahead.